everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and in today's video I am participating in the fall lantern collaboration, and this is being hosted by the lovely Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. I will have Kenya's channel link and the playlist link of all the other participants regarding this video in my description box below. If some of you watched the summer lantern collaboration that she hosted this summer, I made this lantern with picture frames. The two large ones were purchased from Walmart years ago, and then the black one was purchased from the Dollar Tree, and then I laid a mirror as my foundation. These two white leaves, they were originally silver. I got them from the Dollar Tree several years ago, and I painted them white, and they were decor pieces on my daughter's kitchen wall, but I took them down and used this for the collaboration, and I am gluing them on the frame, and then I will later paint them with orange around the trimming, because I'm trying to basically use things that I already have in my daughter's apartment here in Florida. But again, I glued using the hot glue gun on the frames, and I put the mirror in, and that is, again, that holds the foundation. This is a piece that I just put together. The vase is a Dollar Tree vase, and the plant my daughter already had in the brown is just shredded up brown paper. And here again, I'm painting just the edge of the white leaves. They used to be silver, but I painted them white, and she's had these for a while, about 2 years. And this is just to bring a pop of color to my frame. And then I will paint the stem of the leaves brown. Now, this was a lamp that I purchased from a thrift store earlier this summer. I took out all of the hardware pieces, and it looks like a ginger jar to me, and that's why I purchased it. I do have a video of where I purchased about 3 or 4 of these ginger jars, and one I created my own version. I will leave that link in the description box below if you'd like to see what I did. But here I took it and I painted it orange, and this right here is my granddaughter's little beach ball. I told her I wanted to try to make a pumpkin or something, and she gave me this little beach ball, and she gave me the idea of how to create the stem. So here she's actually holding the camera and recording me paint her little beach ball that she gave me, and I'm just making my own pumpkin using this beach ball, again painting it orange. And I was saying to her, I wished I knew what to do to make a stem. Well, she cleverly told me to take the leaf, fold it in half, and roll it and glue it on top of the beach ball. Now that I would not have thought of, and it actually worked. So you can continue to watch. And I also just did a little brown on top of the beach ball to just kind of give it a, I guess, an old look. And because I like the way that turned out, and I ended up making it even darker, I did the same thing to the lamp, or my faux ginger jar is what I call it. I just brushed a little bit of brown. Now coming up, you will see again my creative granddaughter told me to take the leaf, fold it, and glue it together and put it on top of the beach ball to make the stem, which I will also later paint brown. So here I'm just putting it over the part that you would blow it up with. And I didn't glue it to that, I just glued the leaf together and then put it on top of the outing, the part where you blow in, and then I'm just painting it brown. And I eventually cut the stem down some because it's a little too tall. After I do this, I will take 3 leaves and actually cut them in single because they came on a stem together, and I will glue them around the stem. And again, this was the idea of my lovely granddaughter. She's 8 years old, and she said, well, Nana, that's what she calls me. She said, Nana, just take a leaf and glue it into a round circle and put it on top and make the pumpkin. And here it is, my quick DIY pumpkin to go with to complete my fall lantern. And here it comes together, and I hope you all enjoy. I want to thank you all for stopping by. so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.